Okay guys, I want to show you a quick and dirty aquarium filter. My saltwater aquarium, the filter went out on it. It was a hang-on back and it got all the salt in it, and it caused the impeller not to spin. So anyways, I just grabbed a 2-liter bottle of soda, cut a hole as you can see here in the side of it, stuffed some batting or floss. You can use all kinds of stuff, anything out of an old pillow, whatever really. And then I happen to have some bio balls that I threw up in there, but you could use anything. You could use large size pebbles, whatever. And then on top of it you just put the power head, the intake on that, and you just use a power head with a 2-liter bottle as a temporary fix to get your aquarium filtered. This one actually worked really good. I washed it out. You can see there's still a little bit of dirt and stuff in it, but it really collected a ton of detritus out of the saltwater aquarium. Mine is it's not a reef aquarium or anything, it's just a fish only with live rock. But it's still fun to mess with and so forth. But anyways, that batting will all get sucked up pretty far once it has the water pressure on it, and that will take care of it. Anyways, so for just a couple bucks and some stuff laying around, there's a way to get a temporary until you can get your regular filter going, or maybe even as a secondary filter just to get the water clarity and so forth. A cheap way to get that done. So anyways, if you like these videos, like and subscribe. Have a good day.